皆さん、こんにちは. This is week 6 of Year 8 Japanese for term 2. Since the beginning of term 2, we have learned the sentence structure place ni ikimasu. We now expect you can say different examples of sentences in Japanese using place ni ikimasu for I go and I will go. For example, 東京に行きます。町に行きます。I go to Tokyo. I will go to the city. For week 6, we're continuing the topic of by transport. Therefore, our learning intention and success criteria is very similar to last week. In particular, we are going to review sentences about going places by transport, and our success criteria is I can say and write Japanese sentences about going places and specifying the modes of transport. So to review the sentence structure we learned last week, we learned transport de ikimasu, transport de ikimasu. For example, taxi de ikimasu. I go by taxi. You can see that the particle de is very similar to the English word by. We have learned those 7 words for different modes of transport. We have learned Shinkansen, Hikouki, Basu, Densha, Fune, Bike, and Kuruma. And we can use any of these words in the sentence transport de ikimasu. For example, 車で行きます. I go by car. バスで行きます. I go by bus. And 電車で行きます. I go by train. Therefore, we have now learned these 2 sentence structure, transport de ikimasu and place ni ikimasu. Our main focus today would be we want to combine those 2 short sentences into a slightly longer one. You can see already both sentences end with the verb ikimasu. Therefore, if we are to combine those 2 sentences together, it will look something like this. We'll still end the sentence with ikimasu. We'll put the parts transport de and place ni before the word ikimasu. And our longer sentence structure will therefore look like this. Transport de, place ni ikimasu. I'll repeat it again. Transport de, place ni ikimasu. For example, taxi de Sydney ni ikimasu. I go to Sydney by taxi. 車で学校に行きます. I go to school by car. So here is your example. Taxi de Sydney ni ikimasu. I go to Sydney by taxi. Now, using this longer sentence structure, transport de, place ni ikimasu, I would like you to write 3 sentences of your own using this format. You'll need to use the words we have learned for places and transport from this term in order to do these 3 sentences. This is the compulsory task for week 6. We have assigned for you a Year 8 Japanese Championship on Education Perfect based on what we have been learning so far. You have exactly 1 week to earn a gold, silver, or bronze medal. And we will let you know the winners of each category by the end of the week. We would like you to aim high and do your best and earn as many points as you can in this championship. じゃあ皆さん、さようなら。頑張れ. And finally, we would like to let you know that next week, which is week 7, you will do a small assessment task for Japanese. This will be a listening task, and you will need to submit your work online, like what you have been doing so far this term. More information will be reviewed to you then. Thank you.